Alright, so here we are at Funston and Lincoln Way. We're going to make a right turn, go towards downtown, and we're going to cut over on the Sonic and then do little twisties here and there and through the Presidio onto Lombard, onto Van Ness, or possibly a side street. There's just a lot of hills, and this bike only has 7 miles on it. So I'm trying to kind of take it easy on the flat road. Yeah, here we go. Hopefully you don't hear a lot of wind. This thing is, it is what it is. It's the cheapest scooter you can buy through a manufacturer, like a Honda. There's a lot of Chinese bikes out there, and you just got to be careful. There's definitely replicas of like the Ruckus and some other bikes, but they seem to be a little problematic. So if you're into tinkering, then yeah, you're gonna get Honda reliability, and yeah, for a city bike, it's so far so good. Very low power. But I'm not sure how many horsepower. I have to look that up. I was going to say 4, but 4 to 8, somewhere in there. It's only a 109 cc, but it can do 50, 55 miles an hour. And we're going through the park right now. The Stannion is right in front of us. The Haight-Ashbury. I'm not sure if you're getting a lot of wind noise. I have a little wind muff on my deal. I'm going to have to figure things out as we go along. This is kind of my first moto vlog or moto cruise where I'm talking and with the mic. This is the Panhandle on my left, by the way, and to the right would be a couple blocks would be the Haight-Ashbury. like I said, when I fix the transmission, it'll take off quicker and it'll take off better. Shit, I'll tell you one thing. This thing has about 3 inches to 4 inches of travel, front and rear. And these streets of San Francisco, they're not paved with tulips and roses and all that. All right, well, here we go. We're going into the Presidio. This should be fun.